Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Right then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today we're on our way to the town. We just caught a taxi. It's a beautiful day today. I hope everyone's doing well. We made it to the Bazaar, the town. It's a busy day today. Lots of people are in the town shopping along with family and friends. We've got plenty of popcorns here as well. We've got ladies' clothing. We've got scarves. You can just buy anything from here in the bazaar. It's fantastic. We've got some nice fresh samosas here. Look at that. It's just been freshly cooked from this oil. So I've come here for a samosa chart to try out the samosa chart here. So here's the samosa chart, look at this. So what's in this samosa chart is samosas, salad, then all the colors and some chickpeas. Right, let's give this a taste. Right, look at that. Looks fantastic. Let's give it a taste. Wow, great taste. I've just finished my samosa chaat and I must say this is the best samosa chaat which you can get in Jhelum, Pakistan. And it was phenomenal. You can see the view from inside here. It is very busy outside. Very busy. So this is the centre of Jhelum Bazaar here. This is a very popular centre. So you've got basically everything here. So you've got some socks here as well. You've got shoes here. It's incredible. Just going to make our way inside this little mart where they sell different kind of stuff, items. We've got the petrol station here. Quite a nice day today. It's going to be going inside this little mart here to check out what they sell, what they do. So here we are guys. Got some jackets here as well. So it's like $8.50. We've got sweeping up brushes here as well. So in this mart guys, they sell different kind of items here. Household items, stationery, books, cups, everything. So you've got some nice clocks here as well. Oh, nice. Nice designs of the cups. Some bags here. You got kids' toys here as well. Got some footballs. This side as well. Plenty of toys for the kids.